In this video I will show you how to create a shared Google Drive folder. Very easy, follow the steps and we will walk you through. So for the first step we will need to go to Google and then search for Google Drive. Check if you are logged into your Google account, and then once you have searched that, the upper search, we will click that link and now you will be redirected to Google Drive. Sign in. After that you will arrive at this page of your Google Drive, and what we want to do is we want to share a shared folder. So we need to create a new folder to share with people. For the first step we will need to click on the new option and then new folder. What you are doing now, you are creating a new folder which you can share with people. So shared folder we call it, and after that we are making it, creating it, and now you have your shared folder. As you can see, there are two options to share it with people. You can add people by clicking on this button of the plus icon, but you can also click on the three dots and there you have the option to share, and then you click on copy link and you can send the link to everyone you want. That is how you share a Google Drive folder with people. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!